How to clean coffee maker. Are you the nasty and grouchy type before you have your morning cup of coffee? Then, a clean coffee maker is of utmost interest to you. There are many different types of coffee makers. Some of the more popular ones include Keurig and Tassimo. Irrespective of the type of coffee maker you use, it is important to clean a coffee maker regularly because they are used on a day-to-day basis. They need to last a long time and keep your beverage tasting great. It may seem daunting at first because coffee makers have a ton of little parts, but once you know what you are doing, it's an easy process. Most of the parts are dishwasher safe, which makes the job even easier. What you need? Let's begin by taking a look at what you need to clean a coffee maker. White vinegar. All-purpose cleaner. Dishwashing liquid. A cleaning toothbrush. A microfiber cloth. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Taking the parts apart. The first step to a clean coffee maker is to take the parts apart. Start by taking apart the lid and reservoir. Next, remove the cup holder and the funnel. This takes a bit of work. Make sure you are careful because there are some sharp sections that could injure you. Finally, take the drip tray and drip tray cover and move those out of the way. All coffee makers actually come with instructions on how to take apart the parts. So read them if you aren't sure how to go about it. There may also be some cleaning instructions on the lid, including advice on whether the parts are dishwasher safe. 2. Dishwashing the parts. Take the parts that are dishwashable, wipe them with a damp cloth and pop them into the dishwasher. Commonly, these will be the reservoir, cup holder, drip tray and cover. If you don't have a dishwasher, simply fill your sink with hot water and add about a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. Soak the items for about 10 or 15 minutes, rinse them and towel dry. 3. Cleaning the rest of the machine. The next step to a clean coffee maker is to clean the rest of the machine. Start by opening up your coffee maker, grab your cleaning toothbrush and just scrub away any of the coffee grains that are visible. Next, take the microfiber cloth and the all-purpose cleaner and wipe, starting with the top of the machine and working your way downwards. You may notice some crusty white bits next to where the reservoir sits. If that's the case, take the cloth, soak it in some white vinegar, and just wipe around the perimeter of that edge. You will notice the white buildup starts to disappear. 4. Reassemble the parts. Take the dry parts out of the dishwasher and put the coffee maker back together again. 5. Descaling. The final step to a clean coffee maker is to run a descaling cycle. To do this, take your white vinegar and fill up the reservoir about halfway and start a brew cycle. Essentially, you will just be making hot cups of vinegar. Every time you fill cup, dump it and run another cycle until you run out of vinegar. Once that is done, fill the reservoir with water and run through some additional brews to clear the vinegar from the machine. That's it. Now make yourself a nice cup of coffee. Tips and advice. If you are not going to be using the coffee maker for a few days, make sure you leave the reservoir empty. If you brew something sticky like hot chocolate or iced tea, run through a cleansing cycle when you finish making the drink.